This is Storm Chaser Aaron J. Jack. A beautiful morning here in the middle of nowhere, Nebraska. In this little town, this is Main Street. It's Halsley, Nebraska. And I found a place here called Double T's Bar and Grill. I searched for biscuits and gravy. So I want some biscuits and gravy. So we're gonna do a breakfast food review video here. It's the only place to eat here in all of northern Nebraska, basically. I found this, but I don't even know. We're gonna go see this, man, look at this place. It looks like I'm in a ghost town here, but there is a car here, someone here. Maybe this is the chef. I don't know. I'm gonna head inside here. We're gonna try out, see if I can get some biscuits and gravy to go. All right, here we go. Go into this place. Oh boy. Yikes. It's like they watched the movie Twister a few too many times, maybe. It's the Subaru. Alright. Double T Bar and Grill, established 1972. Halsey, Nebraska. I'm gonna go inside. Is it just because of the season?
Well, I don't know. Who knows?
Oh, or like just now people just aren't traveling through right now. That's a cool shop. I love it. Or bar. It's usually a bar. Is that what this is? Cool. Okay, I busted on the biscuits and gravy. No biscuits and gravy. Yikes. Biscuits and gravy was a bust. No biscuits and gravy. But I had a great conversation in there with the owners. I guess the owners. When I walked in, they looked in shock that I walked in. Like they were wondering what the heck I was doing. And they were just sitting down watching TV, drinking coffee. And so they asked what I wanted. And I said, well, I searched for biscuits and gravy and found your place. I want biscuits and gravy. And they're like, well, I can make you breakfast. So I got some eggs or some toast or something. So it was like basically like it was my grandmother or something going to make me breakfast. So anyway, I told them I was looking for biscuits and gravy. They said to head down the road to Thedford, about 15 miles, at a gas station that they have biscuits and gravy there. So I don't know, I'm going to go check it out, see if we can find some gas station biscuits and gravy in Bedford, Nebraska. All right, here we go. I see the curtains are moving there. The blinds are moving. They must be peeking out at me, wondering what the hell I rode in on. I rode in on a beat up Subaru. That's what I rode in on. All right. And I go, they thought I was a camper or something. They're like, where are you camping? Well, I'm just passing through. I'm headed to Bismarck. Gotta go get a COVID test. So, all right, we're gonna go take a ride here, head north to Bedford, Nebraska. That was a fun conversation I had with those folks. We were talking about the weather and how the storms didn't happen here yesterday. They had a little bit of storms early, but it didn't really happen. I was like, yeah, you guys had a tornado watch, and that's why I'm here. So I noticed, I talked to them about the crops, all the crops being irrigated. I was like, oh yeah, so all the farmers are running their irrigation. I assume there hasn't been a lot of rain here, and they're mentioning that it's a drought, but that they have this nice aquifer here, and that the farmers just tap that aquifer, so that's why they're pumping up water. They can pump up water. So. All right, let's head to Bedford, Nebraska, see if we can find some gas station biscuits and gravy. Oh, I just saw the sign. It's Thedford. Thedford. I thought they were saying Bedford. I haven't said Bedford. And she's like, yeah. Okay, well, we're looking for Thedford, Nebraska. It's right on 83 before I turn north on 83 to go to Bismarck. So here we go. Just driving through a Nebraska state park here. Didn't catch what the name was. En route to Thedford, Nebraska. I think this is my first ever gas station food review. This should be interesting. Alright, we are rolling into Thedford, Nebraska here. Just past the sign that said, welcome to Thedford. Let's see if we can find this gas station. Apparently this gas station dinosaur. I need to get gas anyway, so Piccadilly pizza and subs. Alright. Piccadilly. Okay. Well, that's a diesel. Okay. Let's go ahead inside and see if we can find some biscuits and gravy. I guess these are burritos, I don't know. Breakfast sandwiches. Man, I screwed up by not getting breakfast in Broken Bow. Alright, well, I really screwed up by not getting breakfast this morning in Broken Bow, Nebraska. I stopped and got coffee. I found a nice little coffee shop. And I got this black coffee, well, regular coffee, not a latte or anything, with 2 cream, 2 sugar. It's a tasty coffee. It's good coffee. It's better than hotel coffee. But I really screwed up by not getting breakfast in Broken Bow. I didn't realize there would be no food between here and Bismarck, which is like 8 hours away. So you either gotta fish or trap jackrabbits or something out here to eat when you're on the road, or you need to stop in the little oasis that exist along the way. And in this particular case, Broken Bow is an oasis. And I only took advantage of it for the coffee, and I also went to a little antique store, and I got this antique John Deere truck for my son, Jet. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? It's made of metal. It's got a plastic cage, but everything else is metal except for the wheels. And there's a little bit of plastic back here. And I really wanted to get a wind vane they had there, but they wanted $380 for the wind vane, and I don't even have anywhere to mount it yet. So decided not to get the wind vane, but someday I would like to get a wind vane. Anyway, so I'm doing a food review video here at the Piccadilly Circus Pizza gas station restaurant. And I was told that they would have biscuits and gravy here. Apparently they do, but they're all out. They're sold out. It's a little late. So instead I had to get this breakfast to go sandwich in a box here. Gas station sandwich. And usually gas station food is really bad, but this thing looks like it was, I don't know. Well, that's a dry piece of biscuit, but here's what the rest looks like. There's cheese and bacon and maybe something that looks like egg. So this is the Piccadilly restaurant breakfast sandwich food review video. I'm probably gonna have to do another food review video when I get to Bismarck to redeem myself for dinner tonight. So well, I can tell that the biscuit was not microwaved. I think it was a fresh biscuit that was baked in some kind of oven. So that's good. Usually these gas station breakfast foods are microwave. The bacon comes in one of those little circles, so I believe the bacon has been microwaved. Or maybe baked in an oven, but they did not pan fry the bacon. The eggs, I think the eggs were also like something that was pre-fabricated and they just warmed up. But overall, for a gas station meal, it's actually not too bad. It's better than pulling over on the side of the road and fishing some bogs for some carp or something, or trying to trap jackrabbits, which I wouldn't want to have to do. So this is enough sustenance to get me to the next oasis, that is Bismarck, North Dakota. 7 hours that way. All right, gonna hit the road. Wash this down with a little bit of orange juice. And a little bit of coffee. And I'll see you guys in the next Storm Chaser food review video from Thedford, Nebraska. Piccadilly Circus Pizza Restaurant in the gas station. Also tried the tea bar in Halsley. Very nice people who live there. I'm gonna hit the road, and we'll see you guys in the next food review video. Rolling out. Watch out for these bikers. Sturgis bike rally. Must be about to happen. And onwards to Bismarck, North Dakota.